Hello! Let me share to you 4 moves to help improve your posture. Let's begin by sitting in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, our bottoms nicely seated in the chair, shoulder drawn back and down, head on top of the shoulders, chin gently tucked in. Are we ready? Here we go. The letter Y, the letter T, the letter W, and the superhero pose. Let's do it again. Ready? Handa na po? Ito na. Letter Y, hold 1 and 2. Letter T, 1 and 2. W, 1 and 2. And superhero pose, 1 and 2. Isa pa po. Huli na. Letter Y, isa, dalawa. Letter T, isa, dalawa. Letter W, isa, dalawa. Superhero pose, isa, dalawa.